like this. You could write your name, said Grandma, like this. You could trace a hand, said Grandpa, like this. Cotton, look at the piece of paper. I could draw a heart. I could fold a pen. I could write my name. I could trace a hand. Or I could write my name. Yay! Cutie cat. My name is Cotton and I am a cat. I have a soft fur and I am a cute cat. My funny pet, I have a funny cat named Blackie. My cat is a sleeping cat. It likes to sleep in the box. Its name is Tiger. Look, there is a cat. Is it chasing a mouse? Maybe looking for a hat. No, it wants to chat. Hello there, Fanda is my name. Do you want to play? Curious cat everywhere. All with attitude. Thai cat, so cool and so cute. Cats! Let's read, children. I am a cat. I can climb trees. I sleep anywhere. I love to play. I love to chase. I love to play hide and seek. I love to play with my little brother. We are 4 cutie cats. We love to chase each other's tail. We are happy to be with one another. Sometimes we argue and fight. Sometimes sweet and fussy. But we help each other when we are in trouble. This is because we love each other. 4 cutie cats that Mommy Jane called us. Story! Janie's cat. Janie's cat is cute and clean. Janie can call her cat and the cat will come. Janie's cat is calm, white, black, and gray. They are 4 cutie cats. Cotton, Panda, Tiger, and Blackie. They are all 4 brothers. They find mice and chase mouse. Janie's cat can catch mouse too. All you need is love. And that is my 4 cutie cats. Every cat is my best friend. Kittens are angels with whiskers. Sweet, smart, brave, and funny. Mama Jamie's 4 cutie cats. Poem. I see cats, big cats and small cats. Fat cat and thin cat. I see big fat cat on the mat. I see a big fat cat on my lap. Let's read. I am a cat. I love to sleep. I am a cat. I love to eat. I am a cat. I love to play. I am a cat. I take my own walk. I love being a cat when you pick me up. I love being a cat. Cats sleep anywhere. In the box, on the chair, on the floor, on the mat, in the kitchen, on the lap. It's okay. Cats sleep anywhere. They don't care. Good night. Sweet dream.
Almost all animals need to sleep to stay healthy, but sleeping can be dangerous. Other animals may hunt sleeping animals. Animals have many different ways of sleeping that help them stay safe. Some of this way may surprise you. Giraffes. Giraffes win the prize for sleeping. That is, they lie down when they sleep. They rest their heads on their bodies or on the ground. Every few hours, they sleep for about 10 minutes. Giraffes are not safe if they sleep for long periods. Sleeping with half the brain. A dolphin sleeps with just half its brain at a time. It must stay awake to breathe and to watch for danger. Dolphin mothers and babies can go without sleep for as long as 2 months to stay safe. Some fish make their own sleeping bags. They make a big speed bubble and sleep inside it. The bubble keeps them in one place all night. It also keeps other animals from smelling them. If an animal bumps the bubble, the fish swims away. Sleeping standing up. Horses often sleep standing up. Their legs lock in place so they don't fall over. If a horse is lying down, it needs a long time to get up. A horse can run from danger more quickly if it is already standing. Sleeping underwater. Seals breathe air, but that doesn't stop some of them from sleeping underwater. They hold their breath and dive deep to sleep for up to 20 minutes at a time. Sleeping deep underwater helps these seals stay safe from animals that hunt them near the surface.
Reading comprehension. This is Blackie. This is Blackie Cha. He is 10 years old and he lives with his parents and his older brother Cotton. They live in a lovely town called Lamphun in Thailand. Her parents are both doctors. He is tall and thin and he has short brown hair and big green eyes. Everyone says he is very handsome. He is attending 4th grade and he loves school. Her favorite subjects are English and science. His favorite hobbies are writing poetry and listening to music. When he grows up, he wants to be a vet. Because he's very fond of animals. What about you? Complete the chart with the information from the text. Answer this question. Answer this question. Where is Blackie from? What does he look like? What do her parents do? How old is he? What is his brother's name? What color is his hair? Does he like school? What are his favorite subjects? What are his favorite habits? What does he want to be in the future and why? Did you know the word I is always capitalized? Example, I think it's important to take good care of pets. The names of people always begin with a capital letter. A pet's name should also be capitalized. Example, my cousin Jason adopted a dog from the animal shelter. The dog is only about 10 inches long, but Jason named her Panda. Read the sentences below, comment down. Words begin with the capital letters. I saw Puppy that would make a great pet. His ears stand up like Panda's ears do, so I think we should name him Panda. A dog named Panda followed us around. The man whose name is Jake explained that Panda is named for a dog smart race in Thailand. Panda is working hard and also the trainer who helps Panda and put his effort. We all cheer and promote Panda and the team. True or false? We eat in the library. We play soccer in the restroom. We get pain from the nurse. We hear concert in the auditorium. We get help with our problems from the guidance counselor. We speak to the principal on the athletic field. We get books in the library. If we feel sick, we go to see the nurse. We play basketball in the art room. We do exercise in the gym. Thank you, hope you like it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified from us.